Hello there. In today's video, we're going to be learning about how to share and publish, embed the maps, and also to create a default view for viewers that are opening your maps. First thing I'm going to do before I can do any of that is to name this map. We're going to call this one Random Tutorial Places. We're going to skip the description for now. And once you do that, then it's going to allow you to do some of the sharing features that you want to do. So I'm going to click Share, and you're going to see something very familiar to Google Drive and all the other Google apps. And we're going to choose public if we want somebody to be able to get to it. You could probably go with anyone with a link as well if you had a link that you were sharing with people. The most important part of this is if you want your viewers to be able to edit the map or only view it. If they go to edit, they're going to get the same exact view that you do when they open that link. They're going to be able to move things around, click on them, change things, delete things, do everything that you could do with the map. The other way to do that is to change it from edit to view. And if a person were to share it with the view only, they would be seeing what you would see in this preview button here. So now they can get to everything that you've made, but they cannot move it, delete it, change anything about it. The one thing they can do about it, though, is they can click on your different objects and see the name and description of the objects, which is very helpful. So here's the description: home of the Packers for Lambeau Field. If I go over to this football here, it includes the YouTube video that I put in there and the name in the description. You can then click that, and then you can play the YouTube video as well for that description. So we're going to go back to, we're going to close the view only and go back to the editing one. And so that is how you share that with view or editing rights. The other thing that we can do is we can click up here on this three dot and we can embed this map. It gives you an iframe. You can copy and paste into a website editor and place that map in there. Of course, that would probably only be view only. And then the other thing that's important is when you click, you can set the default view. So what I like to do is kind of zoom into the area that we're talking about. If you zoom in too far and set this is the default area, that's not going to help your users when they open your map. So you want to focus on what you're talking about. Let's say we're only going to focus on Michigan. We're going to forget Nebraska. I go up here, I hit set default view, and then this message pops up. And then when a user opens your link, this is the view they're going to get. The last thing I wanted to show you was this base map. When you click here, you're allowed to choose different types of maps. The most popular ones are the ones I'm on right now. And then there's also the satellite view. Satellite view is really handy when you're zooming in really close. If you wanted to get details about something, whether you're trying to find exactly what something looks like when you zoom into it, that satellite view comes in handy. All right. Hopefully that was helpful on talking about sharing and publishing your videos.